Alright, hello everyone. Today is another day of the May half term, and I'm here as promised at Alton Towers. It's looking, I mean, by the look of the front entrance, it is looking fairly busy, but the queues haven't been too bad recently. It's probably not going to be too bad throughout the whole day. And obviously, I'm with one of my friends who's in the bathroom right now. But yeah, we're gonna see how it is on a pretty rainy day here in May half term. Yeah, let me just show you the entrance again. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Ride access.
Alright, we are now in the park. It has started raining a bit. And I'm here with my good friend William.
Hello guys.
Yep, I'm with his family at the moment because, you know, we're friends. Yeah. And first thing we're doing though, we are heading over to Toxicator because that's somehow on a 5-minute queue.
Yeah.
And Nemesis appears to be closed right now. And yeah, so hopefully we can get on Toxicator pretty quickly, the new ride from 2025.
Still 5 minutes.
And yeah, good view of the towers from here. I don't know if you can see that, but they're there. And yeah, hopefully we can get through this day pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Skipping all the queues because he's got a ride access pass.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna blast through this day, aren't we, Will?
Yes, we certainly are.
Yep.
Gonna do as many rides as we can, and hopefully we'll do maybe a few of them twice. Who knows?
Yeah, maybe. Yep.
If we
Just
look
smile
over
up.
here, we see more of the towers.
We get more of the towers. We have a view of Spinball Wizard, the Smiler, Wicker Man. So yeah, hopefully we enjoy and you enjoy. Right, so it's now tipping it down with rain, and me and my good friend William here have just been on Toxicator. Very good ride, only had to wait like 5 or 10 minutes for it, so it was a walk on. Didn't even need to use the access pass. And we're now probably heading over to X Sector to maybe ride Oblivion or the Smiler. And yeah, haven't been in X Sector for a while, have we? The last time we went, Smiler
We couldn't go because we were in a 3-hour queue.
Yeah, we
Nemesis.
were in. Yeah, last time we came here, Scarefest last year, 3 hours for Nemesis. That's how long we were waiting.
But I can't complain. 3 hours for Nemesis. In the end, it was good.
Yeah.
Last, on top of that, we get compound. We got compound.
Yeah, we got the
last year.
compound scare maiden as well.
I mean, yeah, it was frightening, but that's what Alton Towers wanted to do, you know?
Yeah, that
But
was
they
it.
make it
Yeah,
scary.
that's what Halloween is for. Yeah. So yeah, heading over to X Sector. Heading over to X Sector now. And yeah, see you when you get there. Alright, me and my good friend William here
Yes.
just got off the Smiler. Yeah, we didn't get to last time we were here.
No.
So that is very, very good. See it in the background there?
Amazing ride.
Yeah.
That time.
Yeah, people say it's rough. I kind of see what they mean.
Operations were smooth, but definitely.
Yes, yes. Why does it sound posh? Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah, we got on it fairly quickly because we used his ride access pass. And
Perks at the front.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and luckily we got front row, which meant the rain started hurting our faces. Yeah.
Yay. Love it.
So, don't know what we're gonna do next, but Oblivion's closed as far as we know.
Yeah. Still
So
great.
I guess we'll just see the queue times, I guess. In
Maybe
this.
Nemesis, Reborn, or maybe Toxicator again, was it?
Yeah, maybe. Anyway, we'll see you when we decide what to do next. Yes, Big Bob will. Right, walking past the towers now and heading over to Wicker Man. So yeah, we just had some lunch in a chicken place over in X sector, and yeah, I don't know if the mic is clear enough or anything. Some water might have gotten into it. But yeah, it's Wicker Man next. I've never been on Wicker Man. Couldn't agree more. So yeah, hopefully we get a good ride on that. Never been on it before. Believe it or not, this is actually going to be my first ever wooden coaster, and it's a good one.
You're gonna love it, Jay.
I'm sure I will. Right, let me just go over here. We just come off the Wicker Man. Very good. We got front row again somehow. It was very fast and very wet because it was raining. I love the smoke effects, and yeah, I don't know what we're going to do now, but so far this day's been very good. Except for, of course, the weather. So, no idea what's happening next. I'm just waiting for my friend. He's in the bathroom right now. But yeah, it was very, very good, very fast. Got front row, and yeah, don't know what we're going to do next. And yeah, got some footage of it. Right, okay, just come off Nemesis. We're standing right by Toxicator. It's testing right now. Oh wait. Yeah, Nemesis was a great ride as always. We got back row this time instead of the 2 front rows we got. So it was more intense, which made it even better. Right, and yeah, just watching Toxicator right now. Yeah, and hopefully, if there aren't any other rides we can do, we might re-ride Toxicator or the Smiler.
Yeah.
So yeah, have fun.
On my phone.
Right. So we've just been back to Forbidden Valley. Done Nemesis Reborn and Toxicator again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Very good ride.
Yeah.
And now,
You're right.
oh, we've just noticed something. What is it?
13's now on a 5-minute queue.
What? We thought it wouldn't open today because it
Exactly.
usually struggles in the rain.
Yeah. Toxicator's 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Because it's just reopened.
Yeah, we've just done
Me
that.
and James just got the other side of Toxicator ride as the first ones to enter the ride.
Yeah, we were like one of the first people to enter the ride. We used his ride access pass again. And
Now we're currently heading to Smiler.
yeah, we're heading to redo the Smiler again.
Yep.
And yeah, and so we've had 2 front row rides on the Smiler and Wicker Man.
Yep.
And then we also on Nemesis Reborn we had a back row ride, which made it way more fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the 2 sides of Toxicator. Absolutely amazing.
Yes, Toxicator is. I've been on Samurai.
Shut up.
I've been on Samurai at Thorpe Park, and I can confidently say that Toxicator is far better. Anyway, heading back to the Smiler now, and I'll see you there. Right, so just done the Smiler again, and we were thinking about maybe doing another coaster, but
Maybe it's on 5 minutes, so.
Alright, Nemesis on 5 minutes, so we might redo that one.
Toxicators on 10.
We've done Intoxicated twice, so I've had enough of Toxicator.
I'm just saying it's on 10.
Yeah.
Smiler's
That's
on 15.
surprisingly good queues today,
Rita's
especially
20,
for half term.
Galactica 30, Wickerman's still 40.
Yeah.
And then 13's on 15 minutes, so it's now officially open, even though it's kind of raining. So
yeah, so we were thinking maybe do Nemi again. But
Oblivion's still closed.
so what I want to know from you guys is where and what do you want me to do or go? Because like, obviously we've just had the announcement of Valgard going to Portons Park. So I'm probably going to go there at some point when it opens. And yeah, what do you want us to do? Because
Also, tell them if you want more videos with me in, because
yeah,
to be honest, this has been fun with him.
if I go to
Helping
well,
him with this.
theme parks with this guy for his ride access pass, I mean because he's a friend.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
so
friendly mutual agreement.
yeah, and
You know?
so yeah, let me know where you want me to go. Could be, Chessington. Could be what other parks there? Flamingo Land. That's quite far away from where I live. It was a 3-hour drive to here.
Yeah.
But yeah, let me know where you want me to go and what you want me to do. Alright, so this video is sort of, if you're worried about going to Alton Towers in half term because you're worried it's going to be busy, this
Definitely
is just for,
go weekdays.
yeah, go weekdays, and if you have to go on weekends, go a Sunday.
Like today's queues have been good, operations have been good,
Yeah,
just all round good.
yeah, so we're coming here on what was expected to be a busy day so that you guys don't have to.
Yeah.
It's just for reassurance.
Yeah.
Anyways, gonna probably redo Nemi
Yeah.
and then I'll get back to you.
Yeah, we might wrap things up, we might do some more rides, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Right, so we've just redone Nemesis Reborn
Yep.
and we're all
Correct.
we're all rided out for now. So we got 7 rides in. Unfortunately, we didn't get around to doing all the coasters.
Best way.
Yeah.
What do you call a skeleton that stays in bed all day? I don't know. What do you call a skeleton that stays in bed all day?
Annoying people, that's
yeah.
for sure.
And so didn't get to do all the coasters because of long queues and closures.
I definitely would have said do maybe Wicker Man.
Toxic waste.
Yeah.
Can I be in the film?
Wait,
what are you
unfortunately
videoing?
not.
Yeah! What are you videoing? Hi!
Ignore them.
Yeah.
Yeah, go away. Yeah.
I definitely would have liked to do Wicker Man at least once more and maybe Toxicator again because they were both great rides.
after
to
the
go on.
after the 2 times we already went on.
Honestly, I can't complain about it, but like, obviously, sometimes you gotta know when to like stop what you're doing and just rest. And I think 7's enough for now, and it's
Yeah.
something we look into the future. to doing.
7 rides. So hopefully next time we get to get a few more coasters in.
Maybe 8 or 9.
Yeah. So we did Toxicator twice, the Smiler twice, and Nemesis Reborn twice, and the Wicker Man once.
I don't want to look in there.
So
I don't want to look in there.
yeah. We're probably gonna head out, maybe have a look in the gift shop on Towers Street, and
Yeah.
head out of the park. So yeah. I'll probably do. I might not do a quick recap, like after we've left the park. but we'll see. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed for now, and let me know where you want us to go and what you want us to do. Yeah, so I definitely recommend coming on a weekday, and for a rainy May half-term day, it's not actually that bad.
Yeah.
Me and Will are halfway through our GCSE, so we got to get to revising again
Yes,
as soon as we get home.
Probably not today, but like tomorrow. Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm probably gonna start today. Yeah.
Some
Anyway.
people start earlier than others.
Yeah. So
But also, yeah.
yeah. So hope you've enjoyed and hope you've learned something. So you can go on.
A bear? Hi there.
So sorry, we just saw a giant mascot bear. Hopefully
Yeah.
you can come here on a half-term day
Yeah.
without any worries now, because it's been quite good today.
Yeah.
All right.
Toxicator's the best ride I'd recommend to anyone
Yeah.
watching. It seems scary, but it's fun. Very fun.
Anyways, hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you another video. Let me know what you want me to do.